Hello, everybody, and welcome back. It's Jenny, and well, I've got some 50% off news for you, and you want to know. So come on in, like and share the video. It is funky format time. And if you're not one of our crazy friends and you're not quite sure about funky format, well, this is funky format, and it's just a quicker way to get you the deal so you can get to the store. If you've never been here before, guys, this is the perfect time for you to start. Look below and go ahead and subscribe. That way we'll come to you with our next deals. You won't have to look for us. And that way you won't miss any of our deals, our glitches, our field trip, our daily awesome information, our daily savings, our daily blessings, hanging out with some really good folks every day. You won't miss any of that. So if you like that kind of stuff, along with the great vibes, well, look below, subscribe. Do it now so you don't forget. And everybody, please and thank you. Show the video some love. Like and share the video, even if it's for the 100th millionth time. Let it play all the way to the end, please, and let those ads play. This is so important. Along with a comment. Yes, a comment. And I want to know which one of these items you want most. Because these things, I already see what I'm going to go look for. Because this is a great price and a great way to refresh your home or to get an early jump on gifts. So let's have a look, guys. Now, we have 50% off, it looks like. And this is a serving bowl. The embossed serving bowl, I really like that when I seen it the first time. It's now $2.50. The canisters are $2. You have this whole greenery tropical leaf set, 50 cents a set. Mugs for 50 cents. This coffee mug for $1.25. The plate that goes with it for $1.25. A wood cutting board, there's no picture, but it's $5. The assorted ceramic baking dishes, they're $2 a piece. $1.50 for those gold charger trays. The seasoning jar sets are $2. These make great little generic gifts for any time of the year, guys. Vintage cake stand, $2. Ooh, again, that's something I like. The white milk and sugar serving containers, $3. $3 for the yellow cake stand. $5 for the serving tray. 50 cents for the ramekins. $4 for the easy peasy cutting board. And the lemon dishes, all 50 cents. Those ceramic plates and cups that we just seen, all $1.25. Oh, we just talked about this one. This one was already on the 50% off sale for the homewares. It's $3. And if that stuff is still 50% off, maybe it's $1.50. We'll have to see. Go check that out. We've got these canisters for $3. More canisters. $2.50 for the black. The lemon utensil crock, $3. A chalkboard cutting board, $1.50. The glass beehive honeycomb jar, small, $2. And oh, I love this picture. I was wanting this picture. Be Sweet. It's the Be Sweet picture for $4. Now let me tell you about this crockpot pitcher. These things keep items really cold. So if you make some tea or lemonade and put ice in it and put it in this, it'll stay cold for a while. It looks like that is all the 50% off items there. Let's see what else we can find for 50% off. Of course, we're having our holiday sale. All the ornaments are 50% off. So, whatever's left in your store, It's a great way to get new ornaments for next year, guys. You can get you a whole ornament setup super cheap. Now, someone was asking me, where do you find what you saved for the year? Well, it's on your home screen on your app. It's down below, and it will tell you right here. But it will also tell you if you go to My DG Wallet, it will be on your gift card. It will tell you how much money that you saved. Okay? Now, you know we can't leave without having a funky format awesome deal. Well, this is your funky format awesome deal. Besides all that 50% off stuff, well, this is what we got. You've got a $2.50 coupon applying to the $5.25 Cascade automatic dishwashing detergent. That's a winner deal right there. Making that $2.75. Then you got a $2 coupon attaching to the $3.50 magic erasers. Use these in your bathroom, those shower walls, and those shower doors. And of course, if you haven't used it yet, you've got the Febreze small spaces to make everything smell good. And that's going to be 95 cents. And really, guys, this is what this deal was all about, was the Cascade and the Dawn. Okay? The other stuff is just gravy. Alright? Absolute gravy. And that is $5.25 for the Dawn Power Wash. You got a $2.25 coupon and deals applied. Okay? Because it's going to be, I think it's on sale for $5. So the 25 cents is the sale. And you got a $2 coupon attaching. So that's going to be $3 out of pocket. So your total is $17. Whoa, for 4 items. Now, wait a minute. Our coupons was $8.80 with a 25-cent offer. And our taxes was $1.45. So we only paid like $8.40 for all of these items. And we got 4 items. So each item was $2 a piece. And that's a winner chicken dinner. So there you go, guys. We got you all kinds of savings today and a daily deal. So if you got an extra $10 floating around, you didn't eat your lunch, or you need this stuff more than you need that big fat juicy hamburger, stop by and get this on the way home. This is an any day of the week deal, just like it sits. Or you can incorporate these items into a scenario because you're already at $17. So since we were so close to that 5 off 25, if you wanted to make this into a 5 off 25 scenario, we just needed to add a few more items. So, for an example, we could add the Glade aerosol spray because we've got another deal on it. It's going to be $1.25 with this dollar off. And look at here, if you did not get your glitching brawny this week, we got another opportunity to get that brawny. That $5 brawny, you got a $2 earn. And it is working. It is glitching. And it's on sale still, 2 for $9 if you want to do a whole scenario around brawny paper towels. We can do that too. And since we only needed something for $1, we just picked up some trolley bites, okay, for $1. Anything for $1 off the dollar aisle will work. But if you would like to get something else that you've got a coupon for, like a Colgate toothbrush or something like that, or pay a little bit more out of pocket, then you can do that because you only needed a little bit to hit that $25 threshold. So let's have a look at our math here. We're at $25.25, guys. You're barely there. So if you wanted to pick up, another dollar item, that would be great. Or you could leave it like this, as long as that 5 off 25 kicks in. Now, this is any day of the week. Any day of the week, all of these items will cost you $15 and 50 cents. $15.50 before taxes. If you got the same taxes as me, which is 10%, $17.60, okay? Out the door is what this would cost you, less than $20. But if you do this on Saturday, you're going to get an extra $5 off, which means you're going to be paying $12.60 out the door for these items. And look at your items again. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. And that's a winner chicken dinner, because you got paper towels. Oh, it's even going to be cheaper, guys, because that's an urn. You'll get back $2 in urns. So it's going to be $13.40. Yes. In the end, all of these items will be $13.40. Now that's a 5 off 25 scenario worth doing. So blessings. I'll talk to you again real soon, because you know